Unveiling the Facade. Understanding, it's all for show. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations. It's all for show. This expression is a fascinating aspect of the English language that reveals much about intentions and appearances. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand it fully and use it confidently in your own conversations. It's all for show is a phrase used to describe something that is done purely to impress, attract attention, or seem more important than it actually is. It suggests that the true purpose behind an action or object is not genuine or sincere, but rather to create a favorable appearance or deceive. This phrase can apply to a wide range of situations, from personal behavior and relationships to business and politics. To help you grasp this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Social media. When someone posts pictures on social media that make their life look perfect, but it's not their real day-to-day life, you could say, it's all for show. 2. Business practices. A company might adopt environmentally friendly policies not because they care about the environment, but because it improves their public image. This is another case where one might comment, it's all for show. 3. Personal relationships. Someone might give expensive gifts or make grand gestures not out of love, but to impress others. This is a classic example of behavior that's all for show. Now that you know what it means and have seen some examples, let's practice using the phrase in a sentence. Despite the luxurious office and the fancy title, his job is all for show. He doesn't actually have much to do. They seem like a happy couple in public, but it's all for show. They're actually planning to separate. The elaborate decorations and extravagant spending on the event were all for show, aiming to mask the company's recent failures. Understanding phrases like, it's all for show, can add depth to your comprehension and expression in English. It helps you see beyond the surface of words and grasp the intentions behind actions. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and motivations they convey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!